California blizzard round 2. Okay, it's March. Today's March 21st. We don't get snow in March. We've never gotten snow like this in March that I can remember. I know upper elevations have, but not at 4,000 feet. So it is 34 degrees. Heat's on high. Steering wheel heater's on. Mirror defrosters are on. And the outside world is snowing. I gotta open the window. I can't really see snow. Let's see if I can get some light on it. There we are. There's the snow coming down. It's not sticking yet, fortunately for us. We gotta make a run down the hill today. Got to take the dog down to get spayed, and I've got a dentist appointment. There we are, California Part 2, March 21st, 2023, at 5:19 in the morning. Big flakes coming down.